Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. However, you can the risk of your Gmail password. You can the reset of your Gmail password. How is it possible we will see live in these tutorials. Here is a little bit exceptional case, guys. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he has recommended because he was not in the positions to rescue his Gmail password. General method he has attempted, and this option is coming. See here, if we try here also then. Now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can rescue it, so he has recommended we will try to generate more alternative options to the rescue, and without having the recovery email and the recovery phone, and we can rescue it. How it is, we will see. See here, we don't have a phone, so just we will go for click on here. Now it's a function that you did not provide. So if you are having this kind of problem, that if you would like to the rescue from this area, then answer this question. So second is that if your account is managed with the family link, so then we have the sense and email to the parents to the change your password. We don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone, so that we can not answer this question. So how can I? Yes, this can be possible. Just to simply cut it from here and the phone, of course. So don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is very crucial, and if you watch carefully, then you can rescue also your. Now here, just we will go with especially Opera. Opera with artificial intelligence and virtual private networks. So how easily this area can be rescued, we will see live here. Now see, it has started to install here this. Now 2-3 crucial steps that is very important to us, especially changes on any smartphones. By this smartphone you would like to rescue your Gmail password. So here is installing. On the other hand, of course, we will come on especially, let's see. Here is Google, so of course we will check out how many browser you are using. So on each browser you will have to apply similar strategy. Hold the Chrome, so we will come on App Info and tap on its notification. We will make it blocks, and upon, of course, we will come on here. We will come on permissions to, of course, we will come on especially locations. Tap on it to make it off. Then we will come on here. So it's essential that if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. Fans, for time being, I'm doing it. Just we will cut it from here, and upon back and check it out that. Remove permission and the free up space, and that should be a disable. And upon, of course, we will cut it from hand. We will go once again on Google's. We have another browser that is special. Google search browser. We will tap on it, and upon, of course, will come notification. We will make it off, and upon, of course, we will tap on it and come to permission. Permissions to, of course, we will have to tap on a precise location of. Click on here. Don't allow. No longer the function is intended. So guys, here almost we have done it. Now we'll come the free of speech, and this one, see, free of speech, and remove the permissions. This should be a disable, and upon, yes, we will once again back, and we will come in here, open by defaults on this ones. Yes, open supported links, and that we will have to make disable. If another browser, any other browser you are using, on that also you will have to apply a similar strategy. Take any smartphones, apply a similar strategy, and thereupon, of course, we will come once again in a Play Store. In the Play Store, check it out that it has installed or not. Almost we have installed here, just a little bit, especially 1 minute more remaining, so let it complete, because everything is happening in front of you guys and it totally live. Timer is going on, you can see here. So now, yes, it's a totally live. I decided to make the tutorial so that may be beneficial for someone who is having this kind of the challenges, or facing this kind of challenges, or having this kind of the problem, that they can fix this kind of issues. You can troubleshoot by simple status that we have done on this tutorial. Not yet, but now see, it has started to Yes, install. So let it complete installs. So here open option will be highlighted. When this will be highlighted, then what we will have to do here, just we will open it, and the one of course we will go for. So it's installing. Now it has almost installed, so just we will tap on it to open, and here don't do anything, so because I have already made a delay, so just skip everything, so guys. Here when we tap to escape, and then we will come in special, now see here, just we will click here, done, and done too. Of course we will tap on a sign in. So when we sign in here, now see here, just we will tap on it, and here we will have to write. So here is the option is not the coming to us sign in. Let it complete, and it will complete, and then it will come. So now see here, multiple ID in a day, especially having the recovery show. Just we will write here. So this ID came here finally. Now we will tap on it to next. Now just we will click on a forgot password. When we tap on a forgot password, and then this device may be locked with this especially. So if you have device, then so you can, but we don't have right now. So now it's asking last password. If you remember, then this can be rescued. Two more option given. Fine. Let's try another way. This is the third option, that is a verified ID, last 181 digits. So we don't have. Otherwise, if we have, then we can text or call, and we can rescue this ID. We don't have, so just we will click here. We don't have. We'll have to give the explanation proper way. Now here is the distinction that answer is question. So second is that use a device where we have the sign in before, and the third is that alternative email or phone number. If you have some, then we have the sense and email to you the phone. Yes. Alternative email or family links, and then we have the sense and email to you the parents, especially to change the password. So it will send a OTP and respond by that. This is also not possible from my side. So just more tips to the rescue. If you are having this kind of, then surely 100% this ID can be the rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. How it is. Don't click on a try again. Just simply we will cut it from here and tap on a setting. Setting 2, of course. In setting, you will have option Google services and the preferences. When we tap on a Google service and the preferences, where it is here. So just to tap on it, then of course we will tap on a special help option. In a help option here, just we will click here onto especially write a hacked Gmail. So hacked Gmail recovery, when we tap on that, there will be some of the options that secure, hacked, or compromises Gmail accounts or Google accounts. Tap on it. When we tap, then you will have option that review your account activities. Finds then tap if find out if your account has been hacked. When we tap on that, this page will be here. Opens, these links will be open here. That these steps, just we will tap on it. Now, for more confirmation that we came on a real recovery page, that it will confirm you that create a replacement Google account. Second is that avoid getting out. Avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. When we taps on both don't do, just we will click on especially on this arrow of recovery page, and you would be directly in a recovery mode. And here one click tap, automatically this ID will be recommended. Don't do anything, just tap on next and see everything will be recovered, guys. We have to do nothing, so guys. The simple trick and the step is now see here. This ID finally has been recovered. It's a welcome back, so don't click on a continue. Yes, tap on update password. So a strong opportunity to create the strong password here. Create a password, confirm the password, and upon of course save it. Don't escape. After saving, of course, will come the Google account management. There, sign in option will be there, and firstly add a recovery email, and upon after adding, we can remove the old recovery phone number and add a new phone number. So this ID will be a permanent secure. This is a privacy concerns, guys, so that we cannot show you further, especially on this of this viewer, because there is some the private data, of course, also, and he was worried. He has, especially told me that don't disclose as much as you can. So this is all about, and further any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would remain to reply your query. So thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and this content. It really supports in the channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.